Our 8th grade class went on a field trip to study the health of the coral reef in Hikkaduwa, finding out that most of the corals were dead and bleached. Colored and healthy corals were rare. Corals are very delicate and the slightest touch could affect its growth and health. These beautiful corals affect the whole lifestyle of a reef, either by bringing different types of fish species by making the reef beautiful, but the destruction of the corals are caused by human and
Yeah, because there are several ways, I mean, the people they break the coral, right? And also the nature, like tsunami, right? And also the global warming problem. So, other thing is, current. Also, there's a lot of fish growing parrot fish. The animal we call crown of thorn. Crown of thorn. This one is eating all the colors. Nine.
different ways coral reefs are broken up because of humans, nature, and other living species. How humans affect the coral reef is by polluting the ocean, dynamite fishing, and damaging the corals by using motored vessels. How nature affects the coral reef is because of the currents breaking the corals, temperature changing, and natural disasters. How animals affect the corals are by eating the nutrients the corals need, like polyps. The corals feed on the coral polyps. Coral polyps are tiny organisms which live inside the corals. The coral polyps keep the corals healthy, and without the polyps, the corals will lose its color and become bleached. In this coral reef, ocean warming has caused the coral polyps to die and leave the corals. Since the coral polyps live in cold temperatures, they leave the corals, causing the corals to be bleached. As you saw in the previous video, that there were not that many plate or soft corals. There were more of branching and border. Border corals were the most, and there were few branching corals.
Worried about the coral. Even glass bottom people, they don't worry about the coral. So they only go through the money. They don't know anything about the coral. Is very sensitive. That is like a rainforest, no? Like a rainforest. Like a rainforest.
Society and the government doesn't really know or care about how big this issue is. The government only gives small donations to the reconstruction of the coral reef. Society doesn't know about this problem because they created the problem. The amount of boats and other vessels have increased throughout the past years, causing the corals to get polluted due to the petrol, and sometimes the motors of the propellers hit the corals, getting the reef to.
We have to educate like you around this area. No?
So you educate people?
Yeah, I teach. I teach many 27 schools in this area after the tsunami, right? After the tsunami, I had a chance to work with USA, right? The first of all, I educate 105 principals, right? So this is the picture, right? This is the I brought here and this is one everything. Right? So after that, we explain to the teacher. So you have to educate the children also. Then I did with the help of USA, this is the children, right?